So this truck right here is trying to see if he can fit in this automatic car wash. So look, they're actually about to measure.
Rebel on your own on a bedroom trip.
I'm telling you, man, lift the truck problems. Where he going? Where's he going? What is he doing? Man, I'm gonna tell you, dude, just go ahead and wash it yourself, bro. Okay, look, so he got his pole. I think that's probably about 7 feet. Let's see. Oh, so he measuring the ground clearance, the width of the tires. Oh, how wide it is. Okay, so he just put the pole from the tire and see if it reached all the way to the other tire. That's interesting, babe. So let's see what they told him. Let's see if we can get an answer. Looks like they're telling him they're not sure if he's gonna fit. See, he's not sitting too wide. His height is, it looks like on like a 4-inch lift on it. It doesn't look like it's anything wide, but his tires are. They're about 12 and a halves. Let's see what he's doing. So they're gonna, okay. So I'm not sure what's about to happen, but that's the guy with the pole. That's what he used to measure. So he's backing out. I guess we'll see if he can fit when we circle around. But yeah, man, lift the truck problem. So I actually went to an automatic car wash myself. It was about 2 months ago. And the guy told me he was worried about, the height was fine. He was worried about the width. The tires were sitting away from the body of the truck. He's like, I'm just worried that you may break the machine. And he's like, so you don't want to risk it. So he was like, nah, I just don't want to let you run up in there and risk breaking the machine. So lift the truck problem, man. You get a lift the truck. Just know you probably gonna be washing it by hand unless you're running like 33s or some smaller tire. But otherwise, yeah, man, you got to probably wash that boy by hand. And let me tell you, it takes a long time. It's a lot of work to wash it by hand. So keep that in mind. So real quick, that truck that you all just saw was not able to go through the car wash. So yep, wasn't able to fit. So keep it in mind. Probably gonna be washing it yourself.
And that was your Q-tip of the day.
But that's all I got. I'll catch y'all on.